When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too.
It's the possibility of having a dream come true that makes life interesting.
We are travelers on a cosmic journey, stardust, swirling and dancing in the eddies and whirlpools of infinity. Life is eternal. We have stopped for a moment to encounter each other, to meet, to love, to share. This is a precious moment. It is a little parenthesis in eternity.
Everything that happens once can never happen again. But everything that happens twice will surely happen a third time.
People are capable, at any time in their lives, of doing what they dream of.
People are afraid to pursue their most important dreams, because they feel that they don't deserve them, or that they'll be unable to achieve them.